An interesting thing nowadays is most of us don't go fishing without pellets of one form or another. It's sort of part and parcel of carp fishing. So we'll have all manner of pellets for baiting up, putting in your bag mixes, but how many of us actually use them on the hook when we're carp fishing? Not many of us, because we're scared that the pellet's going to go soft and we're going to lose it, and which is often the case. Even the big 21 millers or the 20 millers, the halibut pellets, they only last maybe 3-4 hours on a rig. So you can bait up with them, very effective bait, and then you need a hook bait to go with them. So Enterprise, with this in mind, have brought out the various sizes of the pellets. You can get them all the way down to even the small, 4-6 millis. But these are the bigger ones I'm showing you on this occasion. So you might go somewhere in France, for example, where you've got nuisance species. You might have poisson chat, the small catfish that are a pain. Crayfish again. In the UK, we've got a lot of problems with crayfish. So you've got the plastic pellet, which is buoyant. You can get sinking ones as well, by the way. Put these on. I'll leave it soaking in flavour as well. I have a pot of salmon oil or halibut oil, and I'll put in some shellfish sensor peel and then leave the pellet soaking in that. Very effective. The plastic absorbs the flavour very nicely. Use a kind of blowback rig, and then I can, depending on how I want it to sit, I can put a shot on there, and you'll notice there's a hole in the side of the pellet, so I can get some of the old heavy metal type stuff, stick it in, just pinch a piece off like that, and then have a pot of water to check the rig in, and then that'll sit down on its side. Take the shot off, and you can choose what buoyancy you want on the rig itself. I prefer to mount it lengthways like that as well. Mega effective, and you'd be surprised how many fish you'll catch on these if you just give them a chance. Really good.